Once you turn 60, the world of air travel quietly changes, but almost no one tells you. There are hidden perks for senior travelers that can save time, money, and stress, but they aren't automatic. You have to know where to look and, most importantly, ask for them. In this video, you'll uncover 10 hidden rights senior travelers can claim before their next flight, transforming the entire journey. At the world's busiest airports, a quiet network of benefits exists for travelers over 60, but almost no one uses them. No signs, no booking emails, no check-in hints, yet they're there for those who know to ask. Skip long lines, avoid security stress, and glide through terminals with personal escorts in electric carts. No medical proof needed. Just one question changes everything. Do you offer senior assistance? Some of the best seats on a plane are quietly released hours before departure, and they're free. Airlines reshuffle their seating, and seniors are often marked as ideal passengers, calm, reliable, and low risk. Most miss out because they check in too early. The secret window is 3 to 5 hours before takeoff. Patience and timing often beat early check-in, and unlock front row, aisle, or window seats without spending a cent. Thousands of senior travelers pay unnecessary baggage fees every year, not because they exceed limits, but because no one told them the truth. Many airlines quietly grant extra baggage for passengers over 60, hidden in legal fine print. Asking politely at check-in, online, or via chat can save 50 to 100 euros per flight. The secret? Just inquire, even if it's not obvious online. Knowledge pays off. Most assume airport assistance is only for those with wheelchairs or medical certificates. In reality, major airports offer free personal assistance for travelers over 60, from check-in to the boarding gate. No doctor's note or proof of frailty required. Simply ask, "I'd like senior assistance." It's not a favor, it's your right. Booking online doesn't guarantee the lowest fare if you're over 60. Many airlines apply senior discounts quietly, which don't appear on comparison sites. Check the airline's website, enter your birth date, or mark senior passenger to unlock 10 to 25% off, free seat selection, early boarding, or flexible cancellation. If you stay silent, you pay full price. The simplest question unlocks hidden savings. Do you offer senior pricing? Seniors can board first, but it's rarely advertised. Asking at check-in or the gate activates a silent system for priority boarding. The benefit: store bags easily, settle in calmly, and avoid boarding chaos. The rule is simple. The system waits for you to ask. Not everything on the menu costs money. Flight attendants are often allowed to provide free drinks and snacks to seniors who ask politely. Coffee, tea, juice, or a light snack. Most travelers never know this. A simple question unlocks comfort and a more human flight experience. Do you have any perks for senior travelers? Right before boarding, the airline seating chart shifts one last time. Premium and front row seats sometimes open up, and seniors are the most likely to receive them if they ask. A calm, polite request at the gate, any upgrades available for senior passengers, often results in a better seat. No payment, no membership required. Flight delayed, canceled, or missed connection? Most passengers sigh and accept it. Travelers over 60 have far more power than they realize. Compensation can include cash refunds, hotels, meals, transport, and priority rebooking. Internal airline policies often favor calm senior travelers, but only if you ask. The secret: think calmly. I'm a senior traveler, claiming the full compensation for this delay. Knowledge turns frustration into advantage. Why are all these benefits hidden? Profit. Every unclaimed seat upgrade, unpaid refund or unnoticed discount means more money in the airline's pocket. Airports and airlines rely on traveler ignorance. Now you know, ask, verify, and claim what's rightfully yours. Smart travel isn't about spending more, it's about knowing more. If you found this video helpful, don't just watch, take action. Hit the like button, subscribe for more insider travel secrets, and leave a comment sharing your favorite tip or experience. Share this video with friends or family who love to travel smart. Remember, knowledge is the real perk. Help others discover it too.